Singhania back with a new video of unboxing. I'm so sorry guys because I have been inactive on YouTube for many days, but there's a reason behind that and it's in the description. If you want to read, you can. So today we are going to unbox ELUGA I6. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hey guys, the box. Let's look around the box. In front, Panasonic branding, ELUGA I6, the picture of the phone. This side, Panasonic. This side, information like IMEI number, made in India, good thing, Panasonic. And behind, Panasonic ELUGA i6, 13.84 centimeter display. It means that 5.45 inch, 2GB plus 16GB ROM, 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera with autofocus, 3000 mAh battery, and X4 quad-core processor, big view display, Android 9 Pie, made in India. So let's unbox this. I break the seal already. First the stickers, 3 stickers of Panasonic IMEI number, ELUGA, keep this side. Second a phone, big view display, keep this side. And let's see what's inside the box. I think this is the quick user guide, warranty card, and this is the back cover. It's a good thing that Panasonic has providing back cover with a phone, and this is earphone. Panasonic is the only brand I think that giving earphone with every phone. And this is the USB cable, and this is 5 volt 1.2 ampere charger. It's not a fast charging. Let's look around the phone now. Remove this wrap. Remove this also. Clean look. Look around the phone. Downside microphone. This side volume rocker. This side power button, and this side the micro USB and headphone jack. 5.45 inch big view display, and the front camera, earpiece. Behind the rear camera with flash, 8 megapixel camera here, and front is the 5 megapixel. Let's start the device. Powered by Android. I've already set a pattern lock in this. Let's see guys, this is the UI, Android 9 Pie. I have installed some apps like WhatsApp, MX Targeting, Instagram Lite, Facebook Lite, and Airtel. It doesn't have this type of interface. Loading. Let's see in the settings what it's got. About system, about phone, 2GB RAM, 16GB ROM, device name ELUGA I6, CPU ARC64, software version, and let's see some more things like it has auto rotate mode, airplane mode, night light, Wi-Fi, do not disturb mode, and Mcast also. Let's try to play some games in this. This game is only for daily purpose uses, not for gaming like PUBG, Free Fire. I don't recommend it. But you can play the games like Temple Run, Subway Surfers. Let's play the games. Time started. play. It's full volume. Yeah. Shit. In the first attempt I failed. Let's try again. Swipe, it's not more smooth. Yeah. It's little 30 Hz frame rate. Shit. Okay, let's try some other things. Like, let's check the camera of this phone. Just take a picture from the rear camera. And I'll show you. Not bad. It's good to post on social media. Not bad at all. Let's try to play some videos in this phone. I'll show you how the quality of video viewing. It's taking time because it has a low-end processor. This is my gaming channel, guys. If you want to view the gameplay video, then you can view them too. The link is in the description. Let's play one of them. One more thing is, guys, it doesn't has fingerprint sensor and face lock, so you have to use pattern lock. And if you want to buy this phone, guys, the link is in description. And let me install the back case of this phone, guys. How does it fits inside? Now let's look. And the screen guard is already installed in it from the. It's looking good, guys, not bad. And a handy phone, you can use it from the one hand and you can use it as a secondary phone. That's enough for today, guys. So don't forget to like my video, share my video and press the bell icon after subscribing my channel. Bye.